Hey everyone! Ever left a battery charging and wondered, is it going to overcharge? This simple circuit fixes that. It charges any 12-volt battery and stops automatically when it's full. A green light tells you it's done. Best part? No complicated parts, no coding, just a few basic components. Perfect for beginners. Let's build it. The circuit uses an LM741 op-amp to monitor battery voltage against a preset reference. While charging, the red LED glows, and current flows through the TIP35 power transistor into the battery. The moment the battery hits 14.4 volts, the op-amp flips, the transistor cuts off, and the green LED lights up. Charge complete. To calibrate, apply exactly 14.4 volts to the input, no battery connected, and adjust the 10K preset until the green LED just turns on and the red one shuts off. Done. Now, connect your battery and let it charge. It does the rest automatically. Simple, reliable, and works with any 12-volt battery. No microcontroller needed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more builds like this. Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.